amazing time of year. It's fall, time to get the sweaters out and to start passing out thank yous to people that are important. So I wanted to say how grateful I am to work with such a great team that shines a light on the work done by the thousands of employees at our client companies. And as we approach Thanksgiving, I want to say happy Thanksgiving to you, and that I hope that you and your loved ones can celebrate in meaningful ways.
I'm Dana Kogan, President of Carabiner Communications. I'm so grateful for my Carabiner colleagues. Their support, teamwork, and friendship makes every day so much fun. Wishing you all a wonderful holiday filled with love, laughter, and plenty of good food.
Sarah Broberg, VP at Carabiner Communications. This year I am so grateful for the resilience and generosity of spirit of my community of Asheville and Western North Carolina.
This year I'm just so incredibly grateful for all of the amazing people who are in my life.
Hi everybody, happy Thanksgiving. I'm Kira Perdue. I've been with Carabiner Communications since 2017, and I am very thankful for such a great team. I'm thankful for dogs. I am thankful that Carabiner Communications allows us to work from anywhere. I am thankful for martinis, and I hope everyone has a fantastic holiday with your family.
I'm Paulette Brown. This Thanksgiving, I'm incredibly grateful for my family, which this year includes my first grandson and a new son-in-law. I'm also grateful for my incredible Carabiner colleagues and the amazing clients I get to work with on a daily basis.
This Thanksgiving, I'm very happy for all of my coworkers. I'm grateful that I get to work with a group of people who are so smart and accepting and make it so I enjoy work every day. Also, I'm very grateful for the Detroit Lions. Go Lions!